I did this cool Ghostbuster Slimer inspired cosplay look. You guys can keep on watching. So I got my green backdrop. Oh my god, look at that handprint. Do you guys see that? It's just like, that is creepy cool. Just gonna make various handprints. But anyways, we are going to start off with the makeup. So first off, I am gonna cover my whole face in foundation. Ghosts, you're not supposed to come out yet. And I caught me my first ghost in the evening. It is a wild mocha latte. Isn't that right, mocha latte? Now she is a class 3 ghost. She's very cute. She might look cute, but she's fierce. So I am just going to cover my whole face with foundation. Now that I have the foundation all over my face, I am going to fill in my eyebrows with a green eyeliner marker because my wig will be green. Eyebrows filled in, so now that I have them filled in, we are going to start by doing some cool little effects on our face. So I'm going to be doing some slime drips. Now to do this, you could use eyeshadow or face paint. I prefer using eyeshadow because it looks, for me it looks better. So basically you take a green eyeshadow. I'm using this Maybelline green eyeshadow. It's hard to open it because it's kind of cracked, but it's a green eyeshadow. And with this, I am just going to do some slime going down my face. Now that I have slime dripping down my face, just pretty simple, I am going to make the little ghost, no ghost sign. So take some red face paint and a small brush. There we go, we got the makeup. And the next step is optional, but I like being extra. So I am just taking my yellow contact and putting it in my eye. So next we are going to add the cosplay. So this is my Ghostbuster shirt. It says Vinkman on it, and it's just the basic kind of Ghostbusters costume party shirt. And what's cool about it is if you guys can notice these spots, they actually glow in the dark, which is pretty cool, but I can't show them on camera because my camera doesn't pick it up. But yeah, we're just going to change into the shirt. Now that I have the shirt on, I have the shirt on, the Vinkman shirt with some brown shorts to match the overall beige kind of retro look. Next thing I have is a wig. So I have this green wig. I have a Slimer necklace. I love Slimer. He's so cute. Just look at him. So I got this from the shop FYE, and it was an exclusive glow in the dark too, and I just love it. So I'm just going to put that around my neck. Last but not least is one of my favorite accessories ever, and that is my Ghostbuster sunglasses. Now I got these from Sunstashes, and if you guys don't know, I get like most of all my cool shades from Sunstashes. They're actually sunglasses, but with cool little twists. So these are the Ghostbusters ones I have. I have the logo here, and they're just so cool. And even in the inside it says copyright Ghostbusters. So that's cool, and for that I could either just wear them or put them on top of my head, which is the kind of look I'm going for. So I have one more step to this cosplay, which you probably don't want to do, but I'm stupid sometimes. Food coloring. I am going to add it to my teeth to make me look really like a monster. Do not try this at home. These teeth are gonna get ruined. Now I have that green teeth look. There we go. I got my whole Ghostbusters look. If you guys enjoyed this video of me transforming myself into this Slimer Ghostbuster cosplay look, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I have other videos on my channel you guys can check out, different things, and I just broke my bracelet and sad day. I'm just failing today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. I ain't afraid of no ghost.